Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fully re-customize your character in Dragon's Dogma 2. To do this, there's actually two different options. First one is you can buy a specific book that allows you to re-customize your character in in-game shop, like the DLC shop in Steam, for example. It costs real money, but there's also a second option that you can do with in-game currency. Find this guy in the Vernsworth, the main city, and he's located right here near the Riftstone. Talk to him, click buy, and find the book Art of Metamorphosis. It costs 500 RC. You can find it right here, and then when you have it, you will need to go to the barber shop, or whatever it's called. Actually, I don't remember, but he should be located basically next door, and then you can modify your appearance right here. You can change your main pawn or arisen, and you can create new one or pick a preset or do whatever you want. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.